Top of the morning, come along with me for part of my day. I'm super tired, but I have a busy day ahead. Did my radio show this morning. That went really well, but as soon as I was finished, I had to rush to another shoot. Today, I'm shooting another episode of Beyond the Bar, so while I was getting my hair and makeup done, I took the opportunity to go over the script. I was also hungry, so I took this time to fill my belly as well. I ain't gonna lie, I could get used to getting my hair and makeup done every day because more time it kinda look rough, but as the hair and makeup progresses, bam, girl, just come out and look nice and cute. The stylist wanted my hair to be black, so Mel sprayed my hair to get rid of some of the paint. When I saw myself with black hair, it was a little weird because I haven't had black hair in so long. I was just about dressed, so I got Mike, and of course, you know, all my foot them set up, so it had to be rubbed down with like a baby oil. The stylist did his last minute touches, and I went over the script for one last time. I ain't gonna lie, by the time the style team was done, your girl was looking kind of spicy, and I liked it. I got on set, everything was good to go. I went over a few things really quickly with Debbie, got in position, and we started shooting. The first few scenes went well, took a little break, did a few touch-ups from the glam squad, and then I was back at it again, back on set for the second half of shooting. And that's a wrap. The shoot went well. I headed straight for the dressing room because my 10 toes were screaming out for murder. I ain't gonna lie, I took the heels off, and what a relief it was to wiggle my toes. I then slid my feet in bootleg Rockstar's favorite type of shoes, the Crocs, and OMG, what comfort I felt. After such a long, exciting day, I could not wait to get home. When I went outside, I saw one of the bartenders that didn't make it through, and he gave me a hug. I told him don't worry about it and that it was gonna be okay. He then said, no, miss, you're good enough. And then I said, why you say so? And he said, because you get more opportunities than me. It was at that moment I started to cry because he was right. I've been blessed, and I remembered all the times I cried wishing just one person would give me a chance. I literally cried most of the way home. Got home and saw Danisha, and she was looking a little stressed. I got an eyebrow shaver and decided to trim some of the dead leaves. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think that was a good idea because I ended up slicing up my finger. Of course, my finger started to bleed, and I showed Ben's as well because I was talking to her on WhatsApp. I got a piece of tissue to help it from stop bleeding, and I continued cutting off some of the dead leaves. Threw the leaves out, then it was time for me to head to the bathroom to get ready for bed. I ain't gonna lie, I was feeling myself. I did not want to take this makeup off. I lit my candle because it was about to be a candlelit music type of shower. Took my lashes off, blasted my music, singing and trying to figure out how to take this ponytail out.
Telling me lies, making me cry, using my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted.
I was in full-on karaoke mode, and after a while, I finally got the ponytail out. I then started wiping off my makeup and got straight into the shower, and it felt so good. Washing my hair was low-key kind of painful because the hair strands kept getting in my cuts. I had to continue and pull through because I had to wash all that black spray out of my hair. It all came out pretty easily, and by the time I was done, you couldn't even tell that my hair was sprayed black before. After I got out the shower, I continued with toothbrush karaoke.
Oh yeah, O-P-E-N, we can be more.
After all that, I was hella tired, finally in bed and about to go to sleep. Okay, bye.